It looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. Walk home. Okay, alright. Look. We walking home, we walking home. What is this? Is this my home? Oh, okay, these are boundaries. Alright, my bad. Oh, there's my home. There's my home. Open the gate. Alright, wait. Oh. Yo, I already got the freaking yeah. The controls. Oh, let's get it. Oh, let's get the lever. Open that damn door. Hey, yo, who's in here, cut? Oh, fire extinguisher. What the hell? That's so cool. What the heck? What? Treadmill. Oh, can I move it? Oh, I can move it. Oh! Damn, this window's pissing me off. God, this car is pissing me off. Open the fridge. What's inside? Hey, what's inside her? What's for dinner, huh? What's for dinner? Hey, where's my chocolate milk? Hey, yo, where's my chocolate milk? Open the damn fridge. Stop! Ah! Show me that damn chocolate milk, bro. Oh, I woke up. Oh, hey, shut the hell up, bro. Where's it at? Blow up. Blow up. Hey, blow up, you stinky monkey. Blow up. How am I gonna make that thing blow up? Oh, there you go. Open up. Oh, damn. Open up. Yeah, there it is. You big stink. Oh, you big stinky monkey. Open up. Yo, blow up. Oh my god. Yo, wait, hold up. Does this thing even blow up? Hey, yo, bro, probably didn't even freaking blow up. I'm overreacting.